Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, on the off chance that the information source isn't certifiable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective on account of the appearance of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be outfit to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz interesting stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the sports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost forecast, let us view a portion of the novel elements of Chiliz. Vantage Chiliz. How might this benefit me? As a gaming fan, the main inquiry that arises this is the way to have a special interest in your number one group and how to remain exceptionally intuitive in the realm of gaming and sports by remaining associated with your group. This is a nodal factor that counts the particulars of information transmission. The organization of Chiliz has made up for this reason. CHZ, the local symbolic that takes care of the stockpiling of CHZ tokens and guarantees their protected recuperation. The equivalent is valid with CHZ's speed of execution. Since the whole biological system of Chiliz spins around the decentralized convention, the whole cycle works quickly in a GOT climate. Chiliz, the specialized investigation. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in the span of 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with insight about achieving the degree of 1 cent contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0 a solitary Chiliz. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that happened last year is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. In any case, the presentation of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz reflected colossal development, and it denoted another unsurpassed high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the token confronted slight adjustment. However, later, it held 40 cents cost level. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost forecast uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful gauge predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. In January 2022, the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chiliz Cost Expectation 2022, Chiliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the forthcoming few years between 34 cents minus 50 cents. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022 according to our Chiliz Cost Expectation specialist. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for Chiliz considering all elements, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long-term's time. The future Chiliz gauge holds splendid for CHZ. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a bullish cost of 31 cents in 1 year or less. This implies an increment of 55% is assessed, which is a fantastic contributing choice in somewhere around 1 year of its ascent. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of dependability implanted in this money. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies, defeating all obstacles. The Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of opposition level R1, R2, and R3 are 19 cents, 20 cents, and 20 cents, separately. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation and Chiliz gauge, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845 and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a coursing supply of 5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2022. CHZ figure predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay consistent. Chiliz cryptographic money can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost expectation 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to CHZ Cost Gauge. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling point of the greatest cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the cryptographic money market. Chiliz cost expectation expects that CHZ cost is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will most likely be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time. At any rate, momentary counter developments or even revisions in the coin are in any case anticipated. Chiliz could draw in significantly more consideration before long. The Chiliz cost will unquestionably not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the CHZ with begetting gain a lot greater cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost figure with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized examination done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with high gamble included. Chiliz is entering an exceptionally serious and heartless space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded forecast stage, an obvious cost flood in CHZ USD can absolutely be anticipated. Chiliz value expectation 2024. There are many hypotheses going ahead for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There are suspicions in light of market cost expectations that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHZ Gauge predicts the most extreme cost. Least cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents separately. Before you choose to buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to improve your technique choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, opposition level, and so on to limit the dangers implied in this unstable market. Chiliz Value Forecast 2025. According to Chiliz Cost Forecast, on a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to hurry up with other cryptographic forms of money to plainly show up at any rate cost of 70 cents and most extreme cost of 88 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning good faith anticipated for the CHZ cost, principally because of its predictable presentation throughout the long term. Click here to become more about long-haul digital money gauge. Chiliz Value Forecast 2026. Violating all restrictions over the 2026, it would most likely give indications of fortune for its